welcome to my channel. My name is Martha and I am a flight attendant in the United States. I am at home, I'm in my kitchen, and I wanted to show you, after so long, it has taken me forever to do this, but I wanted to show you my new food bag for work. So first I'm going to show you my old bag, and then I'm going to show you the comparison of the two, because the new one is just stellar. So let's get into it. You've seen I've done my food packing videos here or there. I'll link to them if you'd like to watch and see what I do pack to take with me on a trip. Some flight attendants do pack food because oftentimes we'll get to hotels late, or we don't have a lot of extra time in between flights that we need to eat snacks, or it's very rushed some days. So, and a lot of times you just don't want to eat airport food all the time, or fast food. Or just save some money. So we carry food. All right, so first I'm going to show you my old bag. So this is my old bag. It has a really great front pocket, a really great top pocket, opens up lots of space inside. But let me see if you can guess what the thing I don't like about this is. It looks deflated and smushed. Now, granted, I did have this for a while, probably about 2 years. I changed into this bag because my other one broke, but I started to get irritated with it. A, because it wasn't keeping things very cold, and also because it is so flimsy and smashable, and I was just getting annoyed. So I did a lot of research. I looked at lots of different bags. There's lots of ones that people like and recommend. There's really big bags if people are really serious about bringing their food. I am only semi-serious about bringing my food, so I looked into something that was still somewhat affordable, but sturdy, really well insulated, and had enough pockets. Now, my initial plan was to try to downsize from my backpack and my lunch bag into one bag. That has since proved to be impossible. I have to have a little separate bag for my badge and my passport and my electronic cords and stuff like that. So I have a small backpack that I use. You've probably seen it in other videos. It's a little red, just Amazon backpack. The bag that I chose is from a company called Aerocoast. And this is what it looks like. It's very sturdy. As you can see, it does not squish. I'm pushing down, it doesn't squish. So it has a really great front, actually it has two front pockets. It has one small one. So I have some teas, my salt and pepper, kind of condiment stuff in there. And then this is where I keep my silverware and sandy wipes and just any little random things that I need to catch. Maybe if I get mayonnaise or little packets or something like that, I'll throw it in there. This very top pouch is where I keep kind of stuff that I always have. So my bowl, and also dry goods. I have my nuts up here, I have some popcorn. I have Kit Kats that I didn't finish. I probably should throw those away. I have my coffee pods in there. So that's the very top pocket. It's just small, but it's good for that, stuff that you always take and you want to have easy access to. So this has a little outside access top pocket that I have a few more coffee pods, and then my gummies that I take at night to help me sleep. If you open the big top, there is this pocket right here that I have stuffed some crackers into and some Sour Patch Kids. Obviously those crackers don't fit in there, but I was trying not to get them crushed. And then here is the main big pocket. I don't feel like it's as spacious as my old bag, but I have managed to fit a lot in here. But I just love that it's so well insulated. Like this I had a hotel that didn't have a great refrigerator. It was more of like a wine cooler, and I just left my stuff in my bag, and it was cold the next day. Like, it was totally fine. I went and my ice packs were, you know, they were pretty melted, but I just put a bag of ice in when I got on the plane, and the food was totally fine. All right, side pocket, or end pockets, I should say. Here's a little hook because it does have a long strap, but I don't use that. These little end pockets, I just put little random things. Here's my deodorant for if I forget to put on in the hotel, which happens a lot. You know, just some little pockets. I've got some headphones in here. Oh wait. Oh yeah, those are earplugs. I thought it was something else. Okay, and then there's another one on this side. This one is just a little bit different configuration. Has a room for a pen, my little backs for my wings if I lose them, toothpicks, whatever you want to put in there. There's these little hooks on the side. I don't know what those are for. I guess you could hook like carabiner or something on there. I have no idea. All right, and then in the back, there's a very big pocket. So this is what I was hoping, that maybe I could carry all my electronics in this pocket, but it just proved to be a little too small. So I have some extra like Ziploc bags in here just in case I need them. I have a little bit of snacks. You know, I just stuff. I don't really have a rhyme or reason to a lot of things. And then I didn't even know about this pocket until I had the bag for like a few weeks. But on the bottom, there's this added pocket, and honestly, I don't really know what I would put in here. Some people said, like, I know in other airlines, a lot of people will wear what they call service shoes. So they have flats that they would stuff in, put in a bag and stuff in there. You know, just little tiny shoes. But I don't wear service shoes, so I don't really need to do that. So, and then it has this little like handle situation that snaps together, so your handle's like that, and then it also has the luggage strap right here. So that is the bag. This one was, I believe, just over $100. I think it was like $125. For me, that was a little pricey because, you know, the other ones that I bought are Amazon for $40. And but I decided I wanted to kind of like put a little bit of an investment into it, because clearly I'm going to be doing this job for a little while. And well, and initially I was gonna replace 2 bags. So, but I do love it, and I'm super happy with it. I'm glad I bought it. And now, because I can fit so much more into it, pocket-wise, that I used to put in my backpack, I only have my roller bag plus this on top. So it's way more balanced. I used to have like constantly fight with my bags to balance. So anyway, that's my new food bag. I will link to some of my food packing videos if you're interested to see what I take on trips. It's never the same. I hope you enjoyed this video about my new food bag, Aerocoast. And if you have any questions about it, or if you have any questions about packing food, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you pack. If you are a person that travels for work, even if you're not a flight attendant, do you pack food, or do you just eat out? And now we're going to have a travel tip from my husband, Jared. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hi, this is Jared, and this is a series of short travel tips, either product recommendations or general advice to help make your trips easier and more fun. This next one's going to be one that I would imagine makes every single travel tips list or video that's out there, probably. And so you've probably heard about it before, but it's TSA PreCheck. This is a program that will allow you to basically go through expedited lines at many airports. And so in a lot of cases, it's faster. And also, you don't have to do things like take off your shoes or remove your laptops from your bags. It's just a much more comfortable and convenient airport experience. And It actually is fairly cheap. I think the last time I got it, it was $85, but that lasts for 5 years. So if you divide that out, it's $17 a year. So even if you only, do one trip a year or even fewer, it's really not that much money when you think about it, to save you a lot of time and add a lot of convenience to your trip. One note that I will make is that if you're also doing international travel and you want to have a kind of expedited customs experience, you can also look into global entry, which is, I think, around $100, maybe a little more. And it's the same kind of thing. That'll last for 5 years, and it also includes TSA PreCheck. So if you're wanting to do TSA PreCheck and also wanting to travel internationally quite a bit, you may want to look into global entry. Only downside is global entry will probably take longer to apply for and process than TSA PreCheck. TSA PreCheck application is pretty simple. They will do a background check, so just be aware of that. And yeah, but that's basically it. You fill out the form, you send it in, you pay your money, and you go do fingerprinting and things like that. And you are set for easier and faster travel.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day.